Hi, today we're going to talk about tongue twisters. These are really useful to help you improve your pronunciation. Because they're often very difficult to pronounce, it's better to start slowly, one word at a time. And if it's a difficult word, one part of a word at a time. And then gradually put two words together and three words together, and then work up to saying the whole phrase or sentence. Once you manage to do it slowly, start getting faster and faster. This will really help you to be able to pronounce tricky words and phrases more naturally and to be more confident in the way you speak. This tongue twister, we're going to practice the B and V sounds. B and V. So with B, we put both lips together. B. With V, your top teeth need to touch your bottom lip. V. People often confuse these sounds, so it's very important to put your lips and your teeth in the right place. Now let's try the tongue twister. Ban vans, ban vans. When you're more confident, say it faster. Ban vans, ban vans, ban vans. This next tongue twister practices ch and j. Ch, j. Your teeth and your mouth are in the same position for both sounds. One sound comes from your mouth and the other sound comes from your throat. Ch, j. Ch, j. Try Gerry's charming German cherry gin. 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 Now let's practice th and the. The tongue comes out of your mouth slightly in between the teeth for both sounds. Th comes from your mouth, whereas the comes from your throat. The. This is a commonly confused sound. People often, when they're trying to make this sound, don't put their tongue in between their teeth. It's very important to do that. Otherwise, you will say f and v instead. Now, 3 and free are two very different words, so it's important to say the sound correctly. The. If you're struggling with this sound, stick your tongue further out to help you. The. And then once you're used to making the sound, take your tongue in a little bit, but you still need to put it in between your teeth. The. This theatre, that theatre, this theatre, that theatre, this theatre, that theatre. In this last tongue twister, we're going to practice s and sh. S, sh. With s, your tongue comes to the top of your mouth, just behind your top teeth. S. But with sh, your mouth is, your teeth are slightly further apart, and your tongue comes to the roof of your mouth, not just behind the top teeth, but all the way back as well. She sells seashells on the seashore. The shells she sells are from the seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore. The shells she sells are from the seashore.